Rheem unit. And this one I just put the, I'm gonna need a new board over here. And you see over here, I'm gonna have to, this is a giveaway, look over here. As you guys see it, thing's so burnt out. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go get a new board. Yeah, I took this thing out of the basement. It's not light to work, so I have to remove the whole thing, so bring it outside so we could put this thing back together. And I got the board. Take this wire off over here. Look in the bottom. Just finished with those terminals. Remember they had some tape. I don't like the way, so I put a new terminals over here for the high speed, which they're not going to use it because they don't have no air conditioning in the house. And this one, everything nice and tight now. That's the way I like it. Alright, so this thing is ready to go. Let's go inside and hook it up. Well, I gotta put the bracket first. Now we gotta mount this bracket over here someplace over here. We gotta mount it here someplace. So the sensor over there. And for me to do that, I'm gonna have to need the two hands to work. It's kinda tight. Put it over here. I'm gonna put the sensor right there. And I'm gonna get it together. And that's it, I should do it. Put everything back together, put the sensor over here. I'm gonna put the blower, well, let me put the sensor first, then I'll put the whole thing first. I could do either way. Okay, let me find the part for this and take it from there. So now, as you see, I cut the wire off, I wrap it around over here, through here, and I went and hook it up to the sensor, right there. So it's pretty much there. Okay, so now let me go down here and put the blower back on. Put this baby back on, hook it up, and you're gonna give it a start, see if everything should be fine. Let me put this thing back on. So for this again, I'm gonna need two hands to put that blower back on. Alright guys, put the board together there, everything blowing it back in position where it's supposed to be. The wire, the other wire in there. Got the thermostat ready. And I'm ready to close this thing. I'm gonna close it. Close the door. And fire them up. See how this thing goes. Let me put this thing on. I just told the customer to put the thermostat like 80, and I put the cover back on. So I just gotta wait now. See how it goes. Oh, okay. Call for heat. She did turn the thermostat up. Alright. And do it. Working. Let's see. Yep. Well, that's the mixing there. Right up. gas belt moving. Hey, working. Stays on. Nice. Range over here. Over here, guys, where we put that lower where it came. The sensor with the new board there. You see that big sensor there. Good. Good. Okay, I'm done here. Go to the next one.